Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 62 of learning English. First task is 10-minute reading. Start. Has the civic authorities act against coaching centers and libraries running in basement in violations of unfilled buildings by law? The associations of the institute have expressed unhappiness at that they describe as officially action. The owners of coaching center have requested formulations of specific buildings norms for coaching centers separate from schools and regular education institute to minimize confusion and mitigate violations. They also that exam coaching centers are a need and requirement of society and relocating them to distance area will create problems for everyone. The district magistrate of Central Delhi in his August 6 report to Revenue Minister Atishi on the July 27 incident in which three students were drowned in a basement library in Old Rajendra Nagar has recommended seven measures, among them strict enforcement of guide about the use of basement and the gradual shifting of coaching institutes to hubs in Rohini and Narela. TC Badan CEO Next IAS and Mail EG Group maintain that coaching classes fill the big gaps between the required knowledge for any career competitive exam and the teaching provided by the formal education system. It's better to look for a solution. He had coaching facilities expert assistant that meets the needs of students, therefore ensuring quality coaching in a safe and secure environment and in accessible area for students is the minimum expectations from the administrations. Kesav Agarwal, President, Educators Society, draw a difference between local tutors and institutes imparting coaching for national competitive exam. Small tuition centers created to children from the neighborhood and shifting such centers will create, said Agarwal, even in the big centers providing, say, J coaching. 80% of students are from Delhi and making them commute to far-flung places should be impractical and unsafe. The three categories which